In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PagePilot AI to create and publish a product landing page in Shopify. We'll go through the full process inside your browser, starting from installing the app, opening the dashboard, choosing a product source, and then generating and exporting your page to your store. This is designed to be a quick workflow, so if you want to build a landing page without creating everything manually, this process can save you a lot of time. To begin, open Chrome and go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type PagePilot AI and look for the app in the results. Once you find it, click Install. At this stage, Shopify may ask you to confirm the app installation inside your store admin. Just follow the prompts on screen and allow the app to be added. Make sure you're installing it into the correct Shopify store if you manage more than one. After the installation is complete, go back to your Shopify admin area and open your apps list. From there, launch the PagePilot app dashboard. This is where you'll create your landing page. Give the dashboard a moment to load fully so all options are available before you continue. Inside PagePilot, you'll have two ways to get started. You can choose one of the 8 preloaded winning dropshipping niches if you want a faster starting point and some guidance on trending product categories. This is especially useful if you're still deciding what kind of product page you want to build. The other option is to paste in an external AliExpress supplier product page link. If you already have a specific product in mind, this route helps the app pull in the product details and build the page around that item. Once you've selected a niche or pasted the product URL, click Generate. The app will begin creating an AI-built landing page layout for you. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the product information, this may take a short moment. When the page is ready, take time to preview it carefully. This preview is important because it lets you review the structure, product presentation, and overall look before sending it to your Shopify store. If everything looks good, click Export to Shopify. This pushes the landing page live to your store, making it available inside your Shopify setup. After export, it's a good idea to check the page in your store to confirm everything appears correctly and loads as expected. And that's it. That's how to install PagePilot